First, from the dashboard, navigate to the Items section. A sub-menu will appear. From this sub-menu, click on Gift Card. On the Gift Cards page, you'll see a list of existing gift cards. Filter them by batch or status. To create a new gift card, click the plus New Gift Card button. Here, you'll need to fill in the required details for the new gift card. Click on the Batch drop-down menu. If the batch you need does not exist, you can add a new batch by clicking the plus Add Batch option. In the Add Batch pop-up, type the name or number for the new batch. Then click the Submit button. Enter the card number. This is a unique identifier for the gift card. Enter the SL number, which could be the slot number. Specify the amount for which the gift card will be worth. This is the value of the gift card. Sale rate. This is the price at which the gift card is sold. Click on the calendar icon in the expiry date field. Once all the details are filled in, click the Save button. You can also import a gift card. Click on the Import button near the New Gift Card button. Click the Download button. A .csv file named Gift Card Import is downloaded. Erase all the content and fill in your data except the top row and save. Again, click on the Import button now. Click here. Upload the previously saved CSV file. Click the Import button. If no error in file, you can see the voucher imported message. Thanks for watching.